All right, little recap video. It is Wednesday, July 3rd. Opening my phone up here. So, shortened day ended at 1 p.m. today because of the holiday coming up, July 4th, tomorrow. Let's check out some stocks. A lot of things moved today, a lot of ETFs, a lot of stocks. Look at Tesla. This has been on a run. Even move here, 239, went up to 240 pre-market. Look at this fade right here. Destroy your line right here. Went down to 237, 235, and look who we got here. Mr. Cross. Mr. Cross at the bottom of the pattern. And what happens next? We go up close to 237-ish. What is this? Like 236.65. Now it came down, and right here at today's open line, look at that. 235-ish just below. We go up 239. Little consolidation move, and then we just take off to 247 plus. Now, this is way away from the EMAs. Look at this. And there it is. And then you get the big drop, credit bounce, big drop again below 241. And, we take off choppy. This was a nice move here at 245. Then after hours, 248.48. So my call on this was totally spot on. It went above. I said we're going to get to 220, 230, maybe 240. You broke this trend line all the way back. Let me put this here. From 2021, you have 1, 2, 3, 4. That was close. Yeah, 5, 6 touches. We broke through. This is at 248.48 now. The weekly chart still going up, 88.43. Yeah, it's a big bullish candle here, so this could keep going. You have a crossover on the monthly coming at us, long-term downtrend. We'll see how far this goes. And then the quarterly, just trying to make a little turn here. So we'll see what happens here. So this is a strong move on Tesla. Great long here. Sometimes you only need 1 or 2 moves to trade a day. You're going to make your money. So this is absolutely killer. All right, Apple. Let's see. Anything here? 219.50 moved up to 221.25. Then we came down 219.25. Took off. A lot of choppiness here, but still some moves to trade. This is going past 220 now on the daily chart. AMD, what did that do? All right, AMD daily chart 160, 163. Still got to get above like 170 before this thing could really take off. A lot of choppiness here. So any chart like this is no good. Maybe you're in here, 163.25, go up. Look at this. Red candle, very choppy. Except late day was a nice little move here. Not really great on AMD. NVIDIA. All right, NVIDIA pretty much is 122 line. 122 after the open. Try to get above this 122.66 line, and we take off 123. Look at this, 128, way above. See, I love these momentum moves on these bigger stocks, ETFs, because once you're away from this is a powerful move long. Look at this, 13 above the 20 EMA. It's like this climbing up a mountain, straight up, nothing going on here at all. This is a straight long. You got to catch this early, though, pretty early. I mean, you still have caught it in the middle of the move, and then it fade a little bit here. Daily chart. There it is. You held that 120 line. Pink's over white. See the daily chart never reversed here. If this went red here, this probably would have turned over. But pink over white's very bullish on the daily chart. You didn't have a crossover. Like even here is real tight back in May. So, all these were fake out candles. And then this comes up so far, at least. Very strong move. What else do we got here? Let me see. Let me get Soxel. One of my favorites, and this didn't disappoint again. This has been a beast. 58 line came down as a nice little short. Just below 57.75, we go up. Big green, and this is a weird candle here. Just like you thought it was just going to go short, going to go down. And it's held pretty much this yesterday's close line. We get about 58. 58.50, a little pullback here, all the way to 61.50 before a fade late, then a little bounce. So this is another straight up move long. A few little dip areas. but pretty solid on Soxel. You know, here's the crossover here. That cross, that's a direction, tells you to change the direction right here. When this went up and pulled back, you knew they were trying to push it up. You've seen wicks before. They've done that. A lot of penny stocks so that they'll push up, maybe for weeks, and then you'll explode up. So 55, 60, 39. I think we're going to 65 at this point, unless something weird happens in the market and it's a fake out. So that was really nice. TQQQ was good. You had a move all the way down to 77 just below. And look at this. This is another one. Just draw your line straight up. 77.50, 78.25, all the way to 79. We get down to 78.75. So this was an all day long. Look at this going back to that trend line all the way back to, July. You even put it lower. You can say it's over the line right now, but I'm just putting it as a top line. What else? We have UDL. What did that do? UDL still kind of choppy. What did it do today? Kind of a fader. Pre-market 79, 75, 80. Draw your line. We go all the way down. Look at this. So when you draw your line all the way down, it never gets over it until 79, 25 bounce, and then it went sideways. So this is a nice little short on UDL. What else do we have today? We look at Boyle. Brought this up before. Maybe a swing. Getting close right here. You're near 24 and all the way down to 1388. You have little hammer red cross to the 248. Something to go sideways. Stochastic. Something might be up here. Watch that. All right. American Airlines. Get the gap down. 1150 faded to 11. Going sideways now. If this can hold 11, finally to get this like U move, total U shape, then we go all the way up. This might take a little while, but it's still possible here. Today's gainers would happen. You can look at it here. Costs. Oh, this is a huge move. Did something happen with this? Cost Corp today. Was this late day action? I bet it was. Oh, this was a crazy move. Anyone caught this? Looking at FinViz, it didn't show my other chart. 167, 167%. So this came out, this 5, moved to 7, moved to 9, give an ascending triangle. This is a classic chart right here, too. Like, very easy to read. It's almost like reading a defense. Like, Tom Brady's playing like the worst team. He'll light them up. Yeah, this is very easy. Anyone can read this. You draw your line right here. I'll put it in for you. Draw your line right here at 9. Look at this. Goes up. Touch. We come back a little bit. Try to go through. Nope. Came back again. Look at it's hugging that 13 EMA. That's why 9, 13, and 20, I said they're the best EMAs for day trading. Maybe you have like other ways to maybe use like a 15 or something, whatever you use. But, all in that category, that's why they always come back to them. You move up, come back, break through 9, go all the way up. You had some halts here, went to a high of 1873. Look at that. And this is a reverse right here. This is your reversal candle in the 5-minute. Because look what happened next. We go down, and there we go. So this is a good chart to learn from. This is real good volume too. So ascending triangle breakout, reversal, shooting star, and then we fade on costs. Take this out. All right, what happened? AHG, nothing. I don't like charts like that. It's nothing. EOSE. 160, you get a 187. It's not much here. What else here? DM. I don't like any of these charts, these gainers. Penny stocks have been hit or miss, like I said before. ACHR 385, we get a 425. Nothing here. Zap, CDMO. These are some bad charts today. TSLL ETF, bullish ETF, 1.5 times ETF. matches Tesla. So 1275, this is nice. All the way to 14. It's pretty good. You get good leverage in that. Lower price. That was a nice move there. What else we got here? Anything? Yeah, nothing was great here on penny stocks. To me, it was more of ETFs again and NVIDIA, stuff like that. SMCI, Super Micro, double topped 845 pre-market. Boom, boom. We go down. A lot of choppiness. 825, we take off, go to 855. Yeah, this continues this sideways move right now. What's the VIX doing? VIX 1209 again, falling, fading, getting deeper here. What else we got? LABU, LABD. All right, LABD, it's Biotech Bears. Yeah, it held the 7 line many times. It's 774. It's a nice little swing right there. You want a big uptrend. This is matches a SPY. SPY is not that great to trade. I would say even the Dow Jones is better. TQQQ, the NASDAQ, TNA, small cap, Soxel. For some reason, this doesn't give great moves. 78.50, you go up. Nice move to 79.75, so it wasn't bad today on that. CUK coming down, the big short right here. If you follow these sometimes, in the middle, if you can catch it, if you're like following this every day, looking for the swing, the reversal move, once it's up high, you should look at it. You probably caught it in the middle here. Now you're at 16, so that's a nice little move down. Let's take a look at crypto. I think news came out on this too. I was reading something. I don't know if Jerome Powell said something, but anyway, here's where we are on Bitcoin. So you get 59,858. Now remember that 60 to 70,000 is very key. Put in a wick here. There's the other low back in May, about 56,496. So we'll see if it breaks through that 3-minute. That big move down. Now it's bouncing a little bit. 15, 30. So the weekly. Yeah, the weekly's starting to fade. We did have that before and it bounced. So we'll see if this bounce or this starts to go through. If not, remember I said 50,000. I would look for that wick right there, right here, January around 2024, whatever it was. But all right, the monthly show a lot of red candles right now. Ethereum, so let's take a look at this. Ethereum pretty much got to 4,000, double topped, tried again, fade it. We're at 32.39. That's sliding down right now. Futures, got -5, Dow Jones, S&P -1.25, NASDAQ -8, Russell flat, VIX 1320. And that's where we stand right now. All right, so once again, the core have been well. Soxel, your NVIDIAs, Tesla, what else? UDAO, good to trade. Some nice moves to trade on these ETFs. I heard a guy say, I used to follow this clown. He was in the chat rooms before. He's like, oh, there's nothing to trade today. And it's been slow for weeks. Yeah, he only trades small caps. You have to trade everything. Small, mid, large, mega, ETFs, even like crypto on here. Once you trade everything, it doesn't matter. If you're just, bound to one thing, you're never going to make money just that way. So you're going to be like strapped. And it's just, if it doesn't go well for you, you got to know different things. You got to know long and short, everything. TCL, swing trading, you got to know that too. 101, look at this. Nice move, 104.80 on this. What else here? BITO, Bitcoin strategy. Yeah, this is absolutely crushed. Waterfalling down here. Waterfall. So This is a big drop from 34 March, bounced 28, going down again 20, very oversold. Weekly's at a 5.38. Yeah, it's as low as it's been. It might be getting close to a buy here. Start to see a little turn. That would be good. Monthly is looking bad though. See the monthly on this 2023 all the way up into 2024. This has been a long stretch up, and now we're fading down. We'll see if it tries to hold that line there. Grayscale, Bitcoin, Trust. This is another one. It's kind of messy up here. 65 went down, touched 50. We bounce up, but wasn't as high. Like a triple top, we go down. 52.88. And sort of like hovering around here, kind of messy chart here. Weekly, the low as it's been since January 2023 on stochastics. This is a deep dive. Monthly, still trying to stay up monthlies or quarterly. Quarterly is very high up, overbought. Still could go up a little bit more. We'll see though on that. All right, so that's it. So look at Soxel, the uptrend ever since November. You bought this November, was it 15? You know, smart money's buying all these dips ever since the cough, and unless there's a major pullback, like this pulls back all the way to 40. I mean, you can get in up higher if you're longer, hold it longer, but all these dips have been buys until this goes all the way down here, or even like 20. We just have a massive crash in the market. That'll be one of the best times again to buy, which will happen again. There'll be a major pullback or something. I don't know if we'll go to 20 unless something happens, but I could see us going back to 40, but we'll see when that happens. It's not happening yet, of course. We'll see. Maybe, by end of this year or sometime this year, maybe October onward, we'll see. But, nothing is a given. You just have to play the charts and look at the news, see what happens. Watch for this back to 65. We shall see. All right, that's it. Please subscribe to Mike Cayman Trades on YouTube. Smash the like button. Helps the algos. Appreciate it. TikTok, Mike Cayman Trades. X, Mike J Trades. Instagram, Mike Cayman Trades. Peace.